Did you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can copy text straight from a photo or a screenshot? You don't have to type it manually. Here's how to do it. First, open the Gallery app and select the image you want to use. It can be a photo, screenshot, or even something you downloaded. Now, look near the bottom of the screen. If your phone detects text, you'll see a small text icon appear. Tap it. Your phone will now highlight the text inside the image. From here, you can either select part of the text or tap Select All if you want everything. Then tap Copy. Now you can open Notes, Messages, Email, or anywhere else and just paste it. That's it. And yes, this can even work with some handwritten text too. So if you took a photo of Notes, there's a good chance your phone can read that as well. For more hidden Galaxy S26 tips like this, stay with Fix 369.